Welcome to the Eagle's Spicy Kitchen, and you are making some coconut buns with the Eagle today. So come over and let me show you what we're going to be doing today. All right. Before I introduce you to my ingredients, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like us and follow us on Facebook, because I have a lot of wonderful recipe to share with you. First of all, I have here flour and I have here some butter. We're making some coconut buns, and if you try this recipe, I have a twist to this. You're gonna surprise how wonderful this is gonna come out. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I have the description box there with the correct amount of measurement that I have. So you wanna use that. All right. So this is room temperature butter here, right? Make sure you wash your hands because your hands are needed here. Your nails are short and clean. And so what we're going to be doing here now is that I'm going to be incorporating the butter with this. So what I'll be doing here, I'll be adding, this is my baking powder. This is my custard powder. This is my powder milk. This is my ground cinnamon. This is my nutmeg. This is a half a spoon of cardamom. And now all those dry ingredients, I'm going to incorporate them. And if you notice what I'm doing here, I'm cutting the butter in the flour right now. Now to make this buns, you have to use your hands, guys. There's no way you can use spoon. All right, my hands are very clean. I'm cooking with love here today. All right. I know some of you are like, that's not nice, but I'm telling you a lot of things. Chef has to use their hands. You may not see, but you will enjoy their meal. My hands are clean. My nails are cut. So I'm gonna do this. You have to make sure the butter is totally dissolved in here. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to incorporate the butter with the flour and the rest of the ingredients that I've added in here, okay? So you just got to use your finger. This is the hardest part, to be honest. After this process, everything else is so simple. I want you to try this recipe. This here, when it's finished with a hot cup of tea, man, oh my God. Sit down on your porch with a hot cup of tea, listening to some nice music. See? So I'm trying to incorporate my butter with all my dry ingredients that I put in there earlier. Okay, so this is where you want your flour, your butter, and all your dry ingredients to be very loose. So I get it to where I want. If you notice, that's the texture I want it. And this process now, I'm going to be adding my sugar, all right? So I'm going to make sure I incorporate my sugar. Okay, my sugar is incorporated. Great, dear. So now I'm going to take my vanilla essence. I'm going to take my cherry essence. You know, you can use whatever essence you want. I'll put it in my eggs. And I'm gonna add a little bit of carnation milk. So that's my dry essence. So now, this is optional if you don't want to, but I add a little bit of raisin. And now I'm gonna be adding my coconut. This is some grated coconut. As I said, when you subscribe to the channel, you'll see all the ingredients there. So now we're gonna keep incorporating all of these together. Now I'm making a lot, but I give you accurate measurement for a smaller portion than what I'm making here, all right? So now, this process is very important, okay? When you're baking this buns, you do not want to knead it. You're working it with your finger, okay? So watch what I'll be doing now. Now I'm gonna be adding my eggs. All right. I'm adding my eggs there. And now I'm adding a little more of the milk to bring my stuff together. Don't overwork it, please, or you're not going to get the best of the results, okay? Just work it with your finger to bring it together. Good. See, that's it. See what I'm doing here? I'm working my ingredients in, and I'm gonna have a clean bowl at the end of the day. Just working it with my finger. All right? No kneading, I'm just squeezing. I'm just squeezing. All right? Same thing I'm gonna do here. Try and bring them together. So it's coming together. Because if you put too much liquid, then the bun's gonna be flat. See, look at that. All right. So make sure, see that? See all my ingredients come together, guys? No kneading, I just squeeze it so that it can come together. All right? That's exactly what you want. See, my bowl is clean, and I'm just squeezing. All right, guys, so you see, look, this is how your buns has to be. Now I put some freezer paper there, and I'm just gonna make sure I spray. Good. So now this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be dropping it like that. You just wanna drop it like that. And you could do it to the size that you want, okay? It doesn't matter. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just arranging it with my hands. This one has too much. Man, when you try this recipe, you're gonna be amazed. Okay. As I said, certain cookings you have to use your hand, guys. All right. Put a little smaller one there. You don't worry with the shape. You're gonna surprise to see what the finishing product is gonna look like. Because I said, this is a process you don't have to knead. All right, so just have to wash my hands. See, my hands are very clean. So now you take your cherry and you do some decoration. There you have it. It's ready for the oven, guys. I'm going to be getting the buns now in the oven. And I'm going to bake this at 350. So this is going to be baking for 350 degrees. For another 20-30 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you the finishing product. This is the finished product of my coconut buns. I'm gonna let it cold. See how nice it is. When the buns is cold, I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks. Alright? Alright guys, this is our finished product. Tell you, this buns is nice. Alright, look at that. Beautiful, look. See? So that's the finishing product, or that's the finished product. Try this recipe. Like us on Facebook, share your comments, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me in the Eagle's Kitchen. Next time, see you.